picture of him pointing at his head? Did you get a picture of him pointing at his head?
I'm recording you.
Oh.
This way that we have evidence for Child Protective Services. So you can say, but officer, he asked for it. It's in the video.
He moved that time.
Samuel, what is that?
What is this? Yellow ball, yellow ball.
What color is it? That's right. Thanks.
I keep on moving further away.